Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set push notifications on the My Little Pony application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the X. So, that's my Phony Village, and you can find so many buttons in the home screen. First of all, go to the three line at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the settings section you can find the general, and here go to the third option, the push notifications. You can select the notification type, for example the characters and buildings, inactivity, events, main story, character tales, group quests and the others. And you can select the type of the notification, for example instantly, 1 hour, 2 hour or 5 hour. Just select one and click to the circle, and if you don't want to check notifications about the characters, click to the green arrow and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.